Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create troll face editing on Capcut. Okay, let's get into it guys. For today's tutorial, we're going to use Capcut Mobile, but you can also use your Capcut PC if you want. And then I'm going to open up the project I have just created, this one. And then I'm going to cover this man's face with troll face. Okay, we can go to the overlay and then select add overlay, and then I'm going to open up my album, this one. Okay, add the troll face, and then I'm going to blend this face. Okay, we can go to the splice, and I'm going to choose let's try the darken one. Okay, like this. You can keep adjusting until you're satisfied with how it looks. And if the object is moving like this guys, I recommend you to use keyframe to follow the movement. Okay, you can add you can click on the photo or the image first until it's active, and then you're going to click on this keyframe icon. Okay, and then we can move to the next part. Okay, you can adjust it one by one like this. Okay, you need to make sure that this troll face follow the man's face. Okay, yeah, and I'm not gonna do this for the whole video. Just for example guys, let's play it. Okay, if you want to make the face follow the movement, just add keyframe. Okay, like this guys. Or for the troll face, you can choose another type. Okay, and then once you're ready to export it, just click on this export button. Okay, that's so simple. And then to make it more captivating, you can add music, filter, effect, or anything that can make you happy with your editing. And okay, I'm just going to go back, and okay guys, that's all the way to create troll face editing on Capcut. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel. Bye.